So, right, as I was saying, give me 1 minute. So, as I was saying, what I've done is I've also incorporated the tibia here. This is so that I understand कि मेरा cuts open कहाँ पे होगा. It has to be away from the tibia, right? So that's the reason you just tibia is basically a reference point to understand how your cuts have to be away from the tibia, right? So I've understood that. So first you understand the placement. Then the second thing you do is I have incorporated the segment onto the fibula, right? So this segment we had extracted from the Mills file itself that I've incorporated here, right? Now using this similar to the Mandeville files, I am going to use the planes or the planes segments to create planes. So these are the planes that I've created. Similar way, design, create analytical primitive, and I've made these planes similar to that way, right? So then again, what I've done is sorry for the disturbances. We can just continue now. So what we've done is then I've just recreated the datum plane. Just auto saving. So we wait for that.
Brown color की
Right. So this is the segment, and this is using the 3-point option from the datum plane menu. I've created these planes, right? Now we'll visualize the same planes on the actual fibula, the complete fibula basically, right? So this is how the planes look like. Now after the plane is created, we will convert it into part and give it thickness. So this is how I've given thickness. First I've converted to part, then using move surface I've given equal thickness on both sides. Then we've created hollows. Basically, by creating hollow and then Boolean subtraction, we have created cavities. This is how it looks like. Let me just rotate the view. Right? So this is how the slot surface looks like. Once your slots are ready and your cavity is created, you will have to create the fibula surface. Here I've created the fibula surface using the curve. Right? You can see I've created a curve around the fibula. This is how the curve looks like. Let me just highlight that for you. After creating the curve, what I've done is I've used the function of split surfaces, and then I've separated that same surface from the fibula, right? So then to this surface, I've given a thickness. Then I have created the slot sections or the cavities on the fibula surface as well by using the function of Boolean subtraction. So your steps remain very similar to how you have made the mandible, right? And then I have united the jig slots, and then in the final step I have subtracted the fibula from the jig. So this is how your final jig looks like. So if you see your initial slots, they were through and through. What I have done is just cut them to the base of the fibula. So they just sit over the fibula. To finish the file, you can use multiple operations of smooth edge. Then you can name the file, and if you want, you can give different slots. Maybe you can just, if in case the weight of the file is getting heavier, you can still, using the trim operation, you can just create a slot here so that you reduce the surface area. Maybe in case you don't want to do cautery over such a huge area, you can further trim the area by just trimming this entire or removing this entire connection away, right? So you can customize this and change the steps as per your requirement. But this is how a basic fibula jig looks like. Any doubts? So this is basically it for today's seminar. Any doubts in any of the 3 sections that we did that encompasses the complete fibula guide creation and the reconstruction? Okay, then I have assumed we at least you guys have understood how you should use the tools. You can now try it at your end, the different tools, the different techniques that I've shown of thickness, of surface creation. And in case you have any doubts, as in when you do it, please let me know. We can accordingly address those and try and find solutions for them. So tomorrow, do we want to still keep it at 4 o'clock? Or tomorrow, do we want a morning?
No, 4 is
4
good.
o'clock. Okay. मैम आप बस वो CT स्कैन शेयर कर दीजिए मेरे साथ.
भेज दिया.
Okay,
Please
okay.
check. मैंने share कर दिया है. Just check. It's on your
Sure.
mail.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
मैम फिबुला के मैम फाइल मिल जाएगी क्या?
ये वाले फिबुला के फाइल, हाँ, आप लोग ने मेरे साथ शेयर किए थे फिबुला फाइल्स. इट्स नॉट द सेम पेशेंट. आई जस्ट जो मुझे
रवि से ले लो. रवि ने
अच्छा
भेजा
ठीक
है.
है,
बस दे दूंगा मैम.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
right. So then tomorrow at 4 o'clock we'll do the reduction of fractures, and let me just go through the file. I'll just check कि हम उसमें क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, and accordingly I'll try and incorporate. अगर हम लोग एक plate भी कर सकते हैं, fixation plate for the 2 different fragments, then I'll try and incorporate that also tomorrow. Anything else you would want to particularly see in tomorrow's scan, ma'am?
नहीं.
तो फिर प्लेट फिक्सेशन एक डाल देते हैं उसमें कंपोनेंट, एंड लेट मी सी कि कैसे वो स्कैन है, और उसमें कुछ और मैं हाईलाइट कर सकती हूँ अलग चीज, तो मैं वो कर दूंगी अपने साइड से.
ठीक है.
प्लेट बेंडिंग गाइड्स में ना.
हाँ, प्लेट बेंडिंग गाइड्स के लिए आप मिरर का, okay, I'll highlight that tomorrow, how you can use the mirror function for creating plate bending guides. So we create what we generally do is जो tumored section है उसका mirror model दे देते हैं, and that surface can be used as a plate bending surface. So I'll just highlight that tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll complete those 2 things tomorrow then.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.